Fix the hat.
Do you not think this is a cool way to wear a hat?
Fix the hat.
But
Fix the hat.
What's up with her and hats? I don't know. It is March, so it's time for the March Hares and the Mad Hatters. See the link? Anyway, it's not Alice in Wonderland, it's Hypnosis Land. It's another beautiful video. You're going to see this girl today. She's going to be fantastic. She's actually been hypnotized before. I managed to catch that little snippet of information before the camera was rolling, so you'll not see that on camera, her telling me that. But you will see me asking what the other hypnotist did. Why is that important? I'm going to talk about that inside in the tutorial section, but you're going to see some fun skits today and a beautiful induction, so keep watching inside. Hi there, my name's Turan Mirza. I'm a hypnotist and clinical hypnotherapist. I was going to shoot this intro video outside today, but it's too cold, so back indoors for another little while. Hopefully the weather's going to pick up. You can see that spring is starting. There's no leaves on the pear tree yet. If you went outside, you would see the buds, but we're staying inside for now. It's too cold. Every week I show you some street hypnosis clip, and then I talk in a tutorial fashion after the street hypnosis clip is over to give you some information about what's happening in that clip. And as always, people love to watch the street hypnosis bit, but a few of those people just leave. You can see these stats. This is the stats for last week's video, and quite typically there's a peak, as you can see there, just around the retention area for the fun street hypnosis, and then a few people leave and don't stay for the tutorial. So I'm going to suggest that you do stay for the tutorial. It really is fun, it really is enjoyable and interesting to learn about hypnosis, not just watch the hypnosis. You'll have a better understanding when you watch other people doing hypnosis as well. So please do stay for the latter half of this video. But that's enough of me talking. Let's watch the fun street hypnosis. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like, and don't forget, click the big subscribe button and that bell notification button next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time there's a new video out from myself. And drop me a comment. I really want to hear what you liked about this video, what you find interesting about this video, and has it encouraged you to watch more hypnosis videos, maybe watch more of my videos. Please do give them another view as well. In the meantime, let's watch the video.
hypnotized. So when you were hypnotized for your birthday, can you remember what you did?
Not at all.
Not at all. And your name is?
Louise.
Louise. Look at your hand. Look at the lines in your hand. Pick one spot and one line. Just look at that spot. And notice how I move that hand towards your forehead. Notice how that hand starts to move towards your forehead all by itself. Getting closer and closer. And as you close your eyes down now, just allow that hand continue to float towards your forehead. And sleep now. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relaxing. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel. The more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go, drifting, sinking down, even deeper still. In a moment, I'm going to count from 10 down to 1. With every count I count, just allow your unconscious now to take you down even deeper still. So by the time I get to the number 1, your unconscious will do everything I suggest. So 10, going deeper. 9, even deeper still. 7, and 6, and 5. Letting all the sounds around you help you absorb you into this wonderful state of hypnosis. And 3, 2, 1. So deep, so relaxed. That's right. In a minute, I'm going to count from 1 to 3. In the count of 3, you'll open your eyes. But every time I say the word sleep or deeper sleep, you'll go deeper into hypnosis. Your head will drop down to your shoulders. Your legs will support you. Your back will support you. You will not fall. But you'll go into a wonderful feeling of relaxation. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes and sleep down. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relax. In a minute, I'm going to count from 1 to 3. In the count of 3, you're going to open your eyes. And when you open your eyes, you're going to look around. You're going to realize that not everybody has a hat on. And you're going to go, you're the hat police. You're the hat police. And you're just going to walk around. You're going to start asking people where their hat is. You're not going to get violent or angry at them. You're just going to say you're going to have to go find a hat. Just part of cue on today. You have to wear a hat. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. How's it going?
Where's your hat?
Oh, well, my hat's in my bag. I'm going to go get my bag. Hat. That's it. That's the right thing to do. There we go. See, I got my hat. There you go.
That's better.
Perfect. What about everybody else?
Where's your hat? You need to have one for coupons.
Move on to the next person.
Hat. 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 Where's your hat? You need to have one for coupons. It's against the the words. Get out. You're not allowed here. No hat. Get out. Back. Where's your hat? You need to have a hat. Stand before the people. He's alright. He's alright.
That's it. He's alright.
He wants a hat. All you use has to get out. You can have a hat. You have to get
Look
out.
at me. Look at me. Sleep. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relax. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel. Any moment I'm going to count from 1 to 3 in the count of 3, you'll no longer be looking for people that don't have hats on. You'll no longer be the hat police. But when you wake up, you've got to see that the hypnotist has a hat on and it's not straight, and that really irritates you. Once again, you will not shout or get violent with the hypnotist, but you'll get very irritated that his hat is not on straight, and you'll want to correct that hat. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes.
Fix the hat now.
What? This is the way I like the hat.
Fix the hat.
But this, you know,
Fix the hat.
do you not think this is a cool way to wear a hat?
Fix the hat.
But
Fix the hat. I will freeze you. Keep the hat. I will freeze you too.
is it not better this way then?
Keep it that way, please.
What about the cool kids? They wear it like that.
No, keep it this way.
No?
No. Yes, that way.
What about that?
No.
I think this is really cool. Like the
No.
guys. No.
Keep
No.
it that way.
No.
Please.
What about if I put the hat on like that there? No. Has it go on like that there?
Yes.
And sleep now. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relax. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel, the more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go.
Welcome back. Thanks for staying. Wasn't she a superstar? She was really getting into those hypnotic suggestions, and she was beautifully induced into hypnosis. So let's look at the video and see what was happening. What was I doing? Well, you hear me say right at the start, so you're hypnotized before. Can you remember what they did? Now, is that important? It's nice to know if someone's been hypnotized before, because it's almost easier to put someone back into hypnosis if they've experienced it before. And if they have, I want to do my best to hypnotize them in the way that they were hypnotized before. You'll see a playlist. I've got a playlist of different inductions. So there's 101 inductions, 101 way of doing hypnosis and getting someone into that hypnotic state. So if I can repeat what the other person did, it just has consistency with their model of what hypnosis is. A lot of people don't know there's a variety of inductions. A lot of people think there's just one thing, hypnosis. But hypnosis is a wide ranging thing. So if I know and can repeat the way she's used to it, it'll be even easier for me and even better for her to experience it once again. Now in this situation, she couldn't remember, so it doesn't really matter. As I say, it's not important. It's nice if you can do that, but if you can't, just do what you enjoy doing and hypnotize the way you know how to hypnotize best. So I did a beautiful induction on her, and again you can see how well she drops into hypnosis, and that's probably because she has experienced before that she goes in so nicely and so quickly. So the second aspect of this video I wanted to talk about was the first skit I did. I went straight into that hat skit, which was a very role play skit as opposed to an experiential skit. If you watch my videos regularly, and hopefully if you haven't yet, you will watch my other videos, I usually do a simple foot stick skit.
You will not be able to move. Stuck so heavy.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Just to start off with, why is that good? Well, that's good because there's feedback involved in that. Not only are they experiencing the fact that they can't move their feet because their feet are stuck to the floor, but they can feel that sense in their legs that they have that catalepsy, that freezing of the muscles, so that they can't move their feet. There's sort of feedback in that one. Whereas in this skit, it's just playing out the role that I've given her, that she's the hat inspector. So from that point of view, there's not a lot of feedback. She's just role-playing the situation that I've suggested that she is the hat inspector. And she did a beautiful job. Hopefully you'll agree. She was really involved in that skit. So why did I not do the foot stick, which is my go-to first skit, and to give her an experience? And the same answer is because she was hypnotized before, and because she was hypnotized before, she knows she can be hypnotized and she knows she can experience hypnosis. She was all excited to do it again, and from that point of view, I was happy enough to go straight into another one of these role play situations. Now, should you avoid that if someone has never been hypnotized? No, but it's all about giving them an experience and helping them understand that they are in this wonderful confident state of hypnosis. So from that point of view, there's no right skit or wrong skit to do as the very first skit, but I was more happy to move into the more role play skits because she'd been hypnotized before. So I hope that makes sense. I hope you like that, and I hope you learned something today from this little bit of tutorial. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like, and don't forget, click the subscribe button and that bell notification button next to the subscribe button so you get notified next time I send out a video. And do leave a comment. Did you learn? Did you enjoy the video? Drop me a comment in the comment section below. Thanks very much for watching. I'll leave you with this video, which is last week's video. I talked about it earlier when I was showing you those stats. So check that out now. Watch it right to the end so it flatlines out a bit more for me, and enjoy that experience. It's not so much a tutorial, that one. It's more a comment on the fact that someone stole from me. Does that get you interested in watching it? Check it out next. Thanks very much for watching, and see you next week.